Have you ever wondered why our globe feels like it's running a fever? Why the chill of winter seems less biting than it did in our childhood memories? The answers to these questions lie in the phenomena known as the greenhouse effect and global warming. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that keeps our Earth snug and warm. Picture Earth wrapped in a blanket of gases, trapping some of the sun's heat to maintain a comfortable temperature. But what happens when this blanket gets too thick? That's where our tale of global warming begins. Over the years, we humans have been burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. We've been chopping down forests at an alarming rate. These activities release enormous amounts of carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases, like extra layers on our blanket, trap more heat, and Earth's temperature begins to rise. This rise in global temperature, known as global warming, is not just about sweating a little more on summer days. It's about a whole series of domino effects that disrupt life as we know it. Imagine scorching heat waves, destructive hurricanes, and crippling droughts becoming the norm. Picture the ice caps and glaciers melting away, causing sea levels to rise and threatening coastal communities. Think about the number of plant and animal species struggling to survive as their habitats change. Consider the coral reefs, vibrant and teeming with life, bleaching and dying as ocean temperatures climb. Or our forests, the lungs of our planet, falling prey to wildfires and pests in the face of warmer weather. The reach of global warming isn't confined to the natural world. It seeps into every facet of human society too. Our agricultural systems, so vital for feeding the world, are at risk as rainfall patterns change, water supplies dwindle, and pests and diseases flourish. Think about the socio-economic impact too. Communities around the world face displacement, loss of livelihoods, and economic instability. Developing nations, already facing a myriad of challenges, find themselves on the front line of the climate crisis. Now, as we stand on the precipice of a global temperature rise, we must remember that it's not too late to act. We can turn towards renewable energy sources, enforce stringent emission reduction measures, and foster international cooperation. These steps are crucial to curb greenhouse gas emissions and protect the planet for future generations. In the face of the greenhouse effect and global warming, we must rise to the challenge. The call to action has never been louder or more urgent. We must act, not tomorrow, not next week, but now. For in our hands, we hold the power to change the course of our planet's future. We have the ability to ensure a sustainable world for generations to come. And that, dear listener, is a responsibility we must not